Fuck!
We're just gonna react to Jon. I'm gonna move myself up here because there's no way they're gonna put Jon up here. I'm gonna order food. I'm just gonna order some food while we watch Jon.
You ready? Drum roll, please. Before I piss, I'll leave you guys with words of wisdom. If sex is a pain in the ass, you're doing it right.
True.
That's a dumb. Holy shit. Scratch that one. Awesome.
And I will not take it personally. I'm used to it. Don't even worry.
Okay. But realistically, the way it works is that there are five. The
Is this supposed to be Edison?
two islands are 500 blocks away from me. And I figured the fairest way to determine who the team captains are by playing like a mini game.
Wait, I could do this easily. I could do this easily. All you do is this. All you do is this, okay? I'm sorry, I'm gonna get a little close to you guys. You just do this, okay? One eye on each paper, okay?
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Oh! Oh my fuck! Are you fuck?
I'm blocking Jon, and I'm sorry.
Drop it.
No! Oh, what the fuck is that? Hell no! No, we're going back. I gotta move up.
You could say like the true way to play the game, the most pure way would be to detach the Joy-Cons and get as much of this action as possible.
Oh yeah,
so
no,
that's definitely the way to play the game.
That was one of my favorite things about playing the previous games was how I would charge up my sword because I was really good at my sword.
Someone was thinking it, right?
I was really good at it.
Is that a sock? God damn it!
Your hair!
What's wrong with it?
Look at your hair!
What's wrong with it?
Welcome. Good morning.
What's wrong with it?
Are you ready to play some Until Dawn? Woo! Yeah! We're gonna play Until Dawn! Yeah!
Ah, this is before they announced that they were dating. Ah.
Yeah! Woo! Where are you going?
I'm going back to sleep. Oh fuck off! He's oh no! My keyboard! Oh no! Oh no! No! I need a new mouse, Ada. I need a new mouse. Oh, it's on the carpet! No!
At least get it on the camera, man. What the fuck? How are you gonna spill a drink and not show it? Kind of weird, dude.
Yoda, man. You smell good.
Eat! Done! Be! I think I did it wrong. Ow! It stings. I barely got any hair though.
I will fast forward because DMCA is now a thing. Hog.
I'm fucking done!
Do it.
Okay. I pussied out. My bad. It's me, done, D. Ow! Fuck! Oh! Holy Are you sure? You want cock?
Hey.
No fucking
Yeah.
way. Nice.
What the fuck?
Gone but never forgotten Rick Cough.
I can't believe he thought it was a good idea to enter cock as his prefix for Twitch. Really?
Casual, right here. Fuck! How do you do a casual walk? Okay, not forcing it.
Why does he look so stiff?
Stop! Let a penguin walk?
Why does he look like he got dicked in the ass like 5 minutes before that?
How do I look, guys? Do I look badass or what? Oh!
Nice. What's on his dick?
Yeah, no, they blew up the entrance of my door, but I don't understand. Wait, I got an idea. I'm gonna blow them up. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad.
That's just not okay.
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad. Okay, I'm dead. Kahba.
It's just not okay. It's just not okay.
There's no way up the hill. You have to go around.
No, this is an all-terrain vehicle. We can just go straight up this mountain like this.
True! Do
These
it!
rocks right here, a regular car couldn't make it, but... Wait.
Oh, we're all bending! Get up there! Bigger wheel! Free!
Oh my god, it got up. Oh my
That's what I'm
god.
talking about! That's American steel right there, brother! Yay! Yay!
All-terrain vehicle.
Goddamn!
This is not League of Legends. I apologize. It's okay though, what we're doing here is better than League content.
We get to Vegas for everybody else. We'll go sunglass shopping. Okay?
I have an idea. I have 3 months to return them. I'll wear them to Vegas and I'll return them when I get back.
$100.
What? I thought that was normal!
Did you look in the mirror when you bought them, or did you see how much?
LA John would never do this, you know why? Because LA John has money. And LA John has changed. He's just so different now, man. Not the same weirdo he used to be back then. Emia, do you even watch John? Do you even watch John? Never mind.
I'm on the shelf. And
No.
Nice in them.
Who is John? Masayoshi. He's like offline TV friends community.
1, 2, 3. Happy
The anime guy, the one with the scarf? Yeah, that one. What is the difference? Which one is the angry one, Peter? Let me get this straight. So in your mind, Sakuno is anime and Peter is angry.
Blow the candles!
Foo's family people, PG content. You know, I guess if that's how you look at it, you know. You know, you know how I look at the rest of Twitch? I'm like, you're like that LSF person, and you're that LSF person, and you're that one LSF person that I haven't heard from in a while, but now you're in a news scandal, so I've heard of you again.
That's pretty sweet. Thanks, guys.
I go to bed. Can I hear? Good night, Cool Josh.
Oh shit!
Yeah,
Are
so
you looking at him?
so what? I'm the LSF, and now you're the tiny cockaroo boy.
Yeah.
At least they can call me something.
Heap and Tom. Okay. Already.
Let's
Alright, so we're at 79 minutes. So shouldn't it pop right now? Like right now?
Dude, I don't even know.
It should be popping anytime.
It should pop like right now. It's at 80 minutes. Oh my! What the fuck, John?
Edison is Fousey's husband. I know this one. Yes. Fiance, but yes. On the right track.
Damn it, John.
They were in a 79-minute queue. That's nuts. Marriage is a sham. That is a take.
Roto's OP. Everyone, John, dude, pirates are OP, dude. Yo, John, assassin Void. No, John. Rager Glacial. Shut the fuck up.
Same wiener for life. No thanks. Wait, so you're telling me that you're taking applications for different... Ooh.
I will pick. You're gonna walk to base?
John, relax!
Is that how you want me to talk? I feel like that's scary.
I don't know.
Where are you going, maggot? Do you even know how to spell the mid lane? It's fucking raw!
This fucking pigeon's that raw, it's so fried. Holy.
When will you play Minecraft and be a real streamer for runs? Dude, I've played Minecraft. To be honest, I actually was doing Minecraft speedruns for a bit, and I kind of forget how to do it.
Warwick's bot side, by the way.
I love Minecraft.
It's Master Chef, not Master Bait.
My name is Teddy. Nice to meet you.
Get away!
What's your name?
I don't know. I'm stuck.
Not much of a talker yet, eh?
That's so creepy. Get me away from that.
Let's play a game.
I'm good. Stay back. Stay back.
I know. I'll hide the pink elephant while you're not looking.
Okay. Jody.
That's so scary.
I
don't like that at all. Jesus fucking Christ. I hate Jody. 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 I hate Jody.
Hey, baby. I just wanted to send a quick hello, and I love you. Oh, good news. I'm gonna...
Do ASMR for 30 seconds. I'm so sorry.
Even the editor censored that out.
I'm so sorry.
Rancid.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. She said.
Is it just me, or was John like hella skinny back then?
Never mind.
Cute brother and sister. Oh yeah, they're the cutest brother and sister. Uh-huh.
Never mind.
The cutest. No reverse cowgirl because you don't turn your back on family. Emmy, I'm gonna need you to look at the screen really quickly.
Okay.
What? What's it supposed to be?
Dude. No, it's from a YouTube series. You wouldn't understand.
LSF literally canceled me for using that Pepe. Dude, you can't get canceled by LSF. You can only cancel yourself. Let's be real.
No, 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 no.
TOS and now it's not. Thank you.
Oh, Troll Mark 2, thank you so much for the Prime sub. I'm uncancelable. I'm like Trisha Paytas of Twitch. Trisha Paytas, that's the YouTuber who was in the Eminem music video, right?
Look at the top of his head.
Okay, yeah. I fucked up. Okay, dude.
Like Aslal.
Good job doing research. Everyone's just like, yo, Jon Jon! Resident Evil 7's on VR! Resident Evil VR! Spamming it! And I'm like, oh, it's sick! Because everyone knows that I have a fucking console! Just buy a PS4 then. I just bought the Vive!
Is this guy always screaming? Is he deafing? I don't think John doesn't always scream. To be honest, he doesn't scream a lot of the time, but a lot of the time he does make noises, you know?
Fuck!
My sister.
Donald Pog? Who got Donald? No. Oh, Lycan, I'm so sorry. Your hairline is canceled?
Okay. Anyone's fucking my sister is gonna be me. Scratch that one. The food's good though. I'm excited. I have so much open space. Guys, in my old place, I can do this. I don't think it gets my points across, but like I have space, you know what I mean? It's so much bigger than I thought it was.
You're the slut, John. Yeah. Yeah, we tell him.
Listen here, you little shit. Who said it? Who's the one that said it?
Whoa, man! Whoa! Put the gun down!
I'm not a slut.
Well, now you're.
I'm a whore. I do it for money. Fucking difference.
What's your hourly rate?
Oh my god, I forgot he got this tattoo on his head. Man. You know, one day, when John is old... Oh yeah, this isn't Photoshop, by the way. One day when John is like, you know, 50 or 60 with kids, his kids are going to be like, Dad, I heard you did, you know, stuff on the internet for money. You were like a content creator. What was that like? I hope this is the first picture his kids see.
Guys, I didn't mean it. Chill. Oh.
This guy looks like he moans when he wipes his ass. Well, he does moan, but he's not the one wiping his ass. I am.
Oh, that's kind of hot. Boys, I'm gonna need a napkin, not a towel.
Nice.
Shut up! Okay, hold up. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wait, where are you guys?
John, your face looks more guilty than ever.
So what you call? I don't know where home is.
I mean, where's our team?
Oh, where are you?
I'm going 100.
I'm
Uh oh.
Oh shit.
Uh oh.
Hey, Hume's here.
What? Oh my god! Our house is being destroyed. And I think
you
it's
need to
because
lead the
John's an
way.
idiot.
Fucking creepers.
Oh gosh.
Nice cock.
Oh.
Yo, Peter.
Yeah.
Nothing much.
The villagers are escaping somehow.
What?
You
Yeah, I don't,
son of
like,
a...
Okay, so I looked at the place.
Bye,
and
have a great time.
There's like a random table and doors that they were jumping on to get out.
Oh no.
So I destroyed.
Hune. I haven't seen a Hune stream in a minute.
Oh, John, why? I told you not to let him out.
Oh. No.
Dude, I used my fist. I didn't think I'd fucking die. How? That was 4 hits.
John C.
Oh, the just chatting shirt. Dude, where's mine?
Meanwhile,
Peter, we put him on a lead, right?
I'm so fucking mad right now. No, you can't put them on a lead. We trapped them on a boat, John. We went like fucking thousands of blocks. All right, me and Alexia spent hours bringing 2 of these motherfuckers here. We built a railway system to bring them up, and you fucking punched it to death, John. Hours, John.
Peter's gonna age from this. From this alone.
Dude, just bring another one back.
much later.
Backing it up. Backing it up.
Excuse me.
Oh no!
Oh.
My boat!
Oh.
Please don't die. Live. No, the water isn't working.
Oh.
I'm gay.
Oh, whoa, hello, Eddie wife. Congrats on your engagement. Oh, well, please don't forget about me, Eddie-san. Make sure to suck a fat one for me and have a...
I forgot he got that for Edison when he got engaged. Oh my god. Oh no.
So worth.
I forgot something John used to do was go on Fiverr and hire people to do random shit. I miss that. Honestly, I need to go on Fiverr. Someone needs to remind me. I need to go on Fiverr and like just commission people and get them gifts of random shit. Whether it's a voice line, a shitty piece of art, or something. Someone just remind me.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Am I behind the beam? Or did I just run around the wall?
Thank you, Josita.
Fuck, where's my phone? Wait, oh, I didn't uncover the camera. Dude, this sucks. End the stream. Just end the stream, man. God damn it.
Ah, Tim was there. Charizard.
Oh my.
Elevate.
And the
So this is your reminder to go on Fiverr. You didn't say when to remind you, so yeah.
chat! Shut up! I'm tapping out of chat. I don't want to see these. I don't need to hear this. I'm being cyberbullied.
Nice cock, bro. I'm hungry.
Me too.
I need snackies.
I really want ice cream. I haven't ice cream in so long.
I want ice cream. That's you.
What? Okay, cool. Bitch. I literally don't understand. You were like, I'm hungry.
I'm sorry. I'm angry. I'm so sorry.
Small dick. My name is John.
Damn! It's out of pocket, Jody. What the fuck? Also, Dubsu, Jody, Tenzin, John, Tyler. What a group.
Wait, too real. Wait, I'm
Maybe
hungry,
you can
okay?
ask someone
I'm a
on
little grumpy.
Fiverr to find
I
your
need
hairline,
food.
but it might cost more than $5.
I'm just watching old John clips, man. I'm just watching old John clips, man.
What should I eat?
Hey, you remember that time
Your own
you said you
fucking
need to
dick.
go on 5? This is another reminder, so that's twice you have been reminded. If you forget now, it's on you.
Admiring his hair.
I actually got like my humor from my grandpa and my dad. The first joke my
Mr. Strimmer, sir. This is your third
Oh
reminder
my
to go
God.
on
grandpa told me
Fiverr.
was, he has like a gay clown friend, and my grandpa says he doesn't kiss like he's gay, and I have never laughed so hard in my life. Oh no, the other joke, I was like helping him out. I was staking a tent down, and I was like, I was
Aw,
9.
G-Mojo, thank you for the
And
2-month
like, of
sub. I
course I'm
appreciate
weak.
it.
It's a fucking sledgehammer. He said I could hit that harder with my dick. I'm like, what the hell, man? I'm trying. What a dick, man.
Hi Quiz, would you be so kind as to check out my PC parts list? It's only my second build, so still a little new. No worries if not, I know you are a busy man.
Bold of you to assume I'm a man. 3700X. X570 Corsair Vengeance LPX 16 gigabytes. I had 2 sticks of an 8 gigabyte sticks of RAM clocked at 3600 megahertz speed. Coming in with a 1 terabyte M.2 NVMe solid state drive from Crucial. Seems to be in order. Looking at your Phantix Eclipse P500A, I really have to question your tastes here. This seems to be a little bit bougie. If you're coming in here to flex or to get an opinion, I don't really know. Looking at your power supply.
I know there is no GPU. I am waiting
watts.
to get a 3070 when I can.
I was just about to make that point. I don't see a graphics card in the system. It is completely unusable. All you have here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's 7 parts. And yeah, kind of renders the whole build useless, I have to be honest with you. Yeah, I mean, it seems fine, dude. A 3070 would fit well with this. Endia Bilil, thank you so much for the Prime sub. Oh, Devingal, thank you so much for the 3 months. Welcome back.
Yeet.
Yeet. Nerd got can't they arithmetic? Nice. Good one, Josie. Fucking got him. Wow, why am I so fucking tired, dude? Your list looks fine. Yeah, you just need a graphics card.
Guys, I'm in the semen house, okay?
Nice.
I get it. I know. John's in the semen house. But I am their sloppy seconds. No, mine out of the gutter, Rosa. You're a mod. SEA, Sean Edison Albert. Jesus Christ.
Rosa. He's talking about Sabs.
They're
DW
sailors.
at least John has less followers than Temionic 2.
Come on, man. Why you gotta bring up the follower count?
In case you forgot, Fiverr.
Oh my
Something,
god,
something
John
hello.
played Fortnite. No!
I got you.
Oh god. Wait,
Oh, I can
I
carry
think you
you.
can pick me up and throw me.
Let's
or
get out of
something.
here. No.
I still lose health, unfortunately.
Yo demand quiz ye love. Must train.
Oh god. You the man. Thanks, Warrior. I appreciate it. Poggy, was that Sakuno? It was.
What was that? Oh shit. What the?
Hey, DMCA, what up?
Look, you mashed the keyboard. Look, you're losing. Okay, I was. That was my bad. Nah, okay.
Damn, that's kind of toxic, John. What the fuck?
Okay, dude, I take that back. I take that back.
Sheesh.
No, I
It's
don't.
fucked up, dude.
Toxic, dude. That's my bad.
Why did I even tune in?
Do you want to duel, huh? Let's go take a look outside, shall we? What?
Huh?
Let's dance.
Wait, what the fuck?
So, bitch. Okay, you're just gonna grab me again.
You bugged my character. I can't do anything.
But I can't do anything.
You bugged my character.
Wait, what the fuck?
Did I really just? Did I really just?
You bugged the game.
Get fucked.
I can't do anything.
Oh.
Get fucked.
Offended that you have decided to stream while I'm trying to smash out an 2,500 word essay worth 45% of my grade, which is due in 8 hours and I'm also submitting 2 days late. I don't need this kind of distraction, buddy peepacree.
Oh, you're gonna cry? Where? Oh, I got essays.
What the fuck?
Entirely, I'm sorry.
What the fuck?
Oh shit. I'm mauling asshole.
Oh my god. That's so many clips of John. What the fuck? That's too funny.